In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make table captions and a list of tables in Word. By the end, you will know how to label your tables so Word can track them automatically, and how to generate a clean, professional list of tables that updates as your document changes. We will start by adding automatic captions to your tables. Click any table to select it. Either use the small crosshairs icon that appears in the top left corner of the table, or simply place your cursor anywhere inside the table. Now go to the References tab on the ribbon and choose Insert Caption. In the dialog box that opens, make sure the label is set to Table, so Word knows this is a table caption. If your document uses chapter numbering and you want each table number to include the chapter, click the numbering button and turn on the chapter option there. In the caption text box, type a clear descriptive label, like Table 1. Sales by quarter. Keep it concise and consistent so your list of tables is easy to scan. Click OK to insert the caption. Repeat those steps for every table in your document, using the Insert Caption command rather than typing labels by hand. Ensures Word can find and format them correctly. Next, let's generate the list of tables. Place your cursor where you want the list to appear. This is usually near the beginning of your document, after the table of contents or abstract. Back on the References tab, click Insert Table of Figures. Don't let the name confuse you. You'll use this tool for tables as well. In the dialog, confirm that the caption label is set to table. Choose your preferred formatting, such as whether page numbers align on the right and whether you want leader dots guiding the eye from each title to its page number. When you are happy with the preview, click OK and Word will build your list of tables instantly. As you continue editing, remember that this list doesn't update automatically. If you add, delete, rename, or move tables, right-click anywhere in the list of tables and select Update field. If only page numbers changed, choose Update Page Numbers Only. If you added new captions or changed titles, choose Update Entire Table. A quick update keeps everything accurate without manual fixes. That's it. Thanks for watching.